If Steam says it can't find your installed games, don't panic. In most cases, the game files are still on your drive. Steam has just lost its track of the library folder metadata, which is why the game shows up as missing even though the files are still there. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to get Steam to recognize your installed games again. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, let's use the easiest method, which is the install trick. Open Steam and go to the game that is missing from your library. Click install like you normally would. Now, when Steam asks you where you want to install the game, choose the exact drive where the game files already exist. For example, if the game is already installed on your D drive, select that same drive. Steam should realize the files are already there and begin discovering the existing game files instead of downloading everything again. This usually takes just a few seconds, and once it finishes, the game should appear as installed again. If that does not fix it, the next step is to manually add your library folder. In Steam, go to Settings, then Open Storage. Here you'll see your current Steam library locations. Click the plus icon to add a new library folder. Then browse to the folder where your games are actually installed. Make sure you choose the correct Steam library location, not just a random folder on the drive. Once you add it, Steam will scan that location and should detect any installed games inside it. This is especially useful if you moved games to another drive or restored them from backup. Now, there is one more important thing to check, and this is where a lot of people get stuck. Open your Steam library folder and go into the Steamapps directory. Inside that folder, look for files called Appmanifest_xxx.acf. These manifest files are what Steam uses to remember that a game is installed. If those files are still there, Steam usually has what it needs to reconnect the game. But if they are missing, Steam will assume the game was uninstalled, even if the game files themselves are still present. In that case, Steam may not be able to detect the game properly until the manifest is restored or the game is reinstalled, so the full process is simple. First, try the install trick and point Steam to the drive where the files already live. Second, add the correct library folder in Steam storage settings. And third, verify that the Appmanifest files are still in the Steamapps folder. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem and bring your games back without a full re-download. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Steam fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another gaming issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.